What's up, good people? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. So today, I'm not going to keep y'all here for long, but I really wanted to get on camera and just tell you guys about something that I think would really help a lot of people, because it's really helped me just get my life together, not be stressed out. So first off, my theme for the year 2022 is KISS. A lot of y'all probably know what that means, and it stands for keep it simple, stupid, or keep it simple, silly, whatever. And sometimes you have so much stuff going on, and at the end of the day, you just need to just take a step back, and just be like, I'm doing too much. I need to just go back to the basics. So today, I'm gonna give y'all 3 simple tips on how to keep your house clean 24/7, 365, all day, every day. And I know y'all are like, Jess, that seems really impossible. But I'm telling you, it's really not. I have a full-time job that I go to in person, that I commute to, and I come home, and I don't have much time during the week. I'm also a full-time wife with a husband that I take really good care of and who takes really good care of me. I'm also active at church, and that takes out a lot of my time too. I don't have any kids, and I'll discuss that later in the video, so just a disclaimer. But I have a lot of things going on, and I really like to keep my house clean, but at the same time, I like to do other things, right? So I'm gonna start with the first most important tip to keep your house clean. And if you hear thunder, yes, it's raining. I know in my last video it's raining. It's raining again. It just likes to rain on the weekends. I don't. So the first important tip that I can give y'all, and this has been a game changer in my life since I started trying it out, and that is to clean 15 minutes a day. That's it. Just clean 15 minutes a day. I choose to clean 15 minutes before I go to bed, but you can decide when you want these 15 minutes to be. So if you're like a morning person, you can go ahead and just get the 15 minutes done before you go to work or something. I tried that. It didn't work for me because early in the morning, I'm just trying to just make it to work, honestly, and I can't be bothered. AM didn't work for me. It might work for you. All I do is I just see what needs to be done around the house, and I get it done real quick. For me, the priority is to get the dishes done, because I don't like dirty dishes to be sitting in the sink overnight, because I don't know what I'm gonna wake up to, right? So I like to go ahead and get that done, and that's gonna be my priority. Now, after I finish that, it doesn't take me long. I probably will still have like 10 minutes left. So I just do, like I said, whatever I see that needs to be done. Also, my wonderful husband does help me with that. So if you have multiple people in the house, that's more things that can be done, right? Okay, moving on to the second tip. In addition to cleaning your house 15 minutes a day, doing your little 15-minute straighten up, whatever, you also want to choose a day out of the week that you deep clean your house once a week. And when I say deep clean, I mean scrubbing the toilets, scrubbing all the toilets, all the tubs, all the sinks, dusting, vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, whatever needs to be done. That's what you're doing that one day out of the week. And I choose to get that done like on a weekend, because like I said, I work during the week. So I pick a day on the weekend, and I dedicate usually like maybe 3 hours to this task. Now this is gonna vary depending on how big your house is, your apartment, your room, whatever it is that you have to clean. You have to set aside time, a realistic amount of time that you think is adequate for you to clean that entire house to sustain you another week. While you're doing this, go ahead and get the laundry going while you're doing this cleaning. Sometimes I'll do like a small load of laundry in the middle of the week, but actually it's better for the environment to just do those larger loads, but not too large, because you don't want to mess up your washer and your dryer. I will say it was a time where I did not even have a washer and a dryer, and I understand and I know that that is a luxury. So if you do have to go to the laundromat, then you have to take that into consideration with the time that you have. And it's hard, I get it, I completely understand, but you have to know that laundry is something that you have to get done, and you feel so much better when you have clean linens, clean clothes, clean fresh towels. You feel so much better, and honestly, you deserve it. It's worth it, and you're worth it. Wow, so it just started raining like really, really hard, but I'm gonna keep going because we're on the last tip. So the third and final tip that I have for you is don't freak out. Do not freak out. I'm kind of saying this to myself because I have a tendency to stress out about whether the house is perfect and all that stuff. I want the house to be clean all the time. I kind of obsess over it to a certain extent, even though I really don't ever have guests. But it should not be like that. Your home should be a place that you can come to that is, for the most part, stress free, right? It should be a place where you can be comfortable and just relax. And when you're obsessing over every little thing, trying to make everything perfect, sometimes you're wasting time that you could be spending doing other things, like spending time with family, doing hobbies that you enjoy, working on professional development type things, right? It's so many things that you could be doing. And I'm gonna be honest with you. If you're doing step one and you're doing step two, your house is not as bad as you think it is. It's really not. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I do not have kids. So I know that it gets hard for you parents out there trying to juggle having kids and having a clean home. And I can't stress enough, like, just do your best. Just do your best. But at the same time, I'm just gonna say it. My mom had me cleaning when I was 7, 8 years old, and that was just, and that was just that. Okay, she did not play that. Like, I was cleaning. Now, if you have kids that are younger than like 7 or 8, then I know they don't always get it. They're not always gonna be as thorough with the cleaning or whatever. But again, you need to enjoy time with your family. If you have small kids, you understand they grow super fast, and this is a time that you really need to focus on spending that one-on-one quality time with them. And most of the time, people understand if you have, small children, a little mess is okay and it is completely normal. But let me tell you something. If your kids are old enough to talk back and be on the phone, I see kids now, I'm talking young babies on Instagram, scrolling through Instagram, on YouTube, doing all this stuff. Like, okay, come on. If your kids can do all that, like, come on. They can pick up some toys and they can wipe down some surfaces. But like I said, I don't have kids. I don't know about that life. So I'm never going to judge someone's home that has small kids. And if they're older than that, especially if you have grown kids, your house should be immaculate all the time, all the time. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. I told y'all I did not want to take too much of y'all time. I got stuff I got to do today. Try this method. Try this 3-step method. Number 1, clean your house 15 minutes a day. That's it. Number 2, pick one day out of the week to deep clean your house. And number 3, don't stress about it. So yeah, try it. Let me know your progress. I know that this has been working for me. So just try it out for a couple weeks and then come back to the video and then tell me how it worked out for you. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you next time. Peace.